Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 2 minus 2 times 2 minus 2. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you are new in my channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel for more videos. So multiplication have higher priority than other operation. So before other operation we can firstly solve multiplication. So I can write here 2 minus 2 times 2, which is equal to 4 minus 2. Now again 2 minus 4, which is equal to minus 2 minus 2. Okay, now minus 2 and minus 2 again equal to minus 4. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment, I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to the channel for more videos.